Alright, now in this video we are going to take a look at how to use theme park engine on Goodlock application to customize your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now it is not that easy to customize the themes on Samsung Galaxy phones using theme park. It's a bit tricky. You need to know how exactly you can apply the colors to various sections of the phone, may it be keyboard, may it be the settings, or may it be the quick panel, or any different sections of the phone. You can apply different colors, but you need to know how to do that on theme park engine. Now, if you're a pro user, you might be aware of this, but if you're new to Samsung and if you're new to theme park, this video is going to help you guys to understand theme park and apply the themes or the colors better on your Galaxy phone. Now let's go ahead. Let me open Goodlock application. We've got theme park application right here. This will also be available as an independent app on your app tray. As you can see, we've got theme park here as well. I can just open it, and this is where we customize the theme of the phone, the keyboard, quick panel, the icon customization, and volume panel customization. Now for keyboard customization, quick panel, volume panel customization, we have got different modules on Goodlock. We've got Keys Cafe for keyboard, we have got Quick Start, we have got the sound assistant module for volume panel customization, but some of the basic color application can be done on the theme park engine itself. Now what we're going to do is we are going to create a theme, and I will explain you how exactly you can apply colors to various sections of your phone. Let's go ahead. Let me tap on create new. Now this is where you can use the current wallpaper, or you can select any wallpaper from the gallery, or you can explore more wallpapers on the Galaxy Store. Now I will select a particular wallpaper from the gallery. Let's go ahead with this particular wallpaper. I'll tap on done. Let's tap on next. Now as you can see, we have got different pages here. This is the home page. Then we have got customization for lock screen. Then we have got icon customization, keyboard, and then we have got quick panel. Then we have got message background customization, and we have got these few options which are currently not enabled by the Goodlock team. This is for customizing the phone application, and this is for the settings menu. And then we have got the quick panel as well, and we have got the clock application as well. So these can also be customized probably in the future, but for now we can apply the standard colors on these sections of the phone as well. Now at the bottom you see we have got the main color selection option. Select a main color and a style. The color and style affects the overall colors and mood of the theme. So you can select the one you want. Let me just pick any of these. I will select this particular color, and then we have got a combination of different colors. As you can see, I can select any color I want. I will just keep it to this now. Now I can customize the home screen. Let me just tap on home screen here. As you can see here on home screen customization, I can change the wallpaper if I want. I can crop this particular wallpaper, and I can also change the colors for these icon titles, or the name of these icons or application. As you can see, I got this circle here. This circle will have a dot here, and the dot is placed on a particular section of the screen on which you can set the color. By tapping on the circle, you can select the color you want. Now let's say I want a green color for the title of the applications. You can see it has changed to green. Now let me just keep it to white here. And here you can see I can change the background of the folders. I can tap on this to change the shape of the folder. As you can see, I am able to change the shape of this folder, and I can also change the background color. Now I'll just keep it standard, and I'll tap on this color option. Now here I can change it to green. If we tap on OK, you can see the background of this folder has changed. The color is green now. Now I'll just remove this. Let's keep it default. I'll close this. Now this is how you can customize the home screen. You can see I can also customize the lock screen right here, and I can keep swiping to customize different sections. I don't really have to go back here to select any of these sections. Now what I'll do is I will select the second option, let's say the lock screen. Now here we just have one toggle or switch, by enabling which you can set the same home screen wallpaper on the lock screen. So we can't do much over here. We don't get to customize the lock screen on the theme park engine. We can only enable the same home screen wallpaper on to the lock screen as well. As you can see, I can't do anything here. I can just crop this image or customize this image for the lock screen, or I can change the image and select a different image for the lock screen. That's all I can do here. Let me go back. Now the next part is customizing your icons. Now let me tap on this option. Now you see we can change the shape of the icons here. We can change the colors. We can change the tray colors for the icons. And when you tap on this arrow here, you see we have got an option to resize the icons here. We have got a slider to increase or decrease the size of the icon, which is just brilliant. Now, if you don't feel good with the current icon sizes, you can increase it or decrease it by using the slider on this particular section. Now we can change the shapes of these icons. Let me select this circle. Now the color, I will just keep it as it is. I don't want to change any colors here. If you want to change the colors, you can change it. You can change the tree color. Tree color is nothing but this background of this application. Since we have changed the shape of the icon, you will see a tree right behind that icon. Now you can change all those things right here. And once you're done, just go back. Now, the next important part is customizing the keyboard. Now, you can do this, of course, on the Keys Cafe module, which is also linked to the theme park. Now, when I tap on this, you see we have got all these options. We can change the key style here by selecting any of these shapes. And we can also change the colors of each element or each background area of the keyboard. Now, let's say you see this particular circle, we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 9 different areas we can change the colors. Let me select this particular circle here. I can change the color here. Let me just select a particular color. I will select blue. You see, when you tap on a particular key, when it pops out, you will see this particular color on the key. Now, let me select this particular option. I will select another color here. I'll tap on OK. You see this particular strip, you've got a different color. Now I can change the background of this particular keyboard. I can tap on this gallery icon here, by tapping on which you can select a particular image. Let me select any of these images. I'll just select this. You see we have got this particular image as a background for the entire keyboard. Now what I'm going to do is I will select some of the circle. I will select this particular circle here. I will change the color to black. I'll tap on OK. Now you see the main key background has become dark. It is in a black color now. Likewise, we can change various different elements. To change the background, you can use this gallery icon, and to change the colors of different elements or different backgrounds, you can select any of these circles to customize them. Once you're done, just go back. Now this is how you customize the keyboard. Now we have got the quick panel. Now again, quick panel is customizable in similar fashion. You can select different circles here. You can change the background. You can also change the transparency of the color that you're going to select. We can also change the colors for the brightness bar as well. Let me select this brightness bar. I will select green, and the rest of the bar will remain in green. Now let me select the background here. I will select this background as blue. The entire background is now in blue, but this seems to be quite bright. So let me just select black itself. I'll tap on OK. Now I can change the colors of these texts. Let me select this. I'll tap on green and tap on OK. You see the texts are in green now. And I can also change the toggles here. Let me also change this to green. Let me tap on this color here. I'll select green and tap on OK. You see these toggles are green. The toggles or the switches which are enabled will be in green, and the rest of them will remain in gray or dark color. Now let me just go back. We have customized the quick panel. Now we can also customize the background of your messages. Let me tap on this. You see again we have got different elements here. Now again, let's go with green theme. I'll select the background as green and tap on OK. You see we have got the green background for the messages which are received. Now I will change the text color into black so that it'll be visible here. Now I can also change the colors for the message that I'm going to send. I will select the background for this. I will select a light green maybe. Let me select this and let me reduce the transparency and saturation. I'll tap on OK. You see it is a little darker green, and this will be the color for the messages that you're going to send. Likewise, you can change different colors here. I'll just go back. Now here, these ones are not customizable, but the most important part I'm going to show you now, to customize these settings or any of the background colors here, all you need to do is just tap on this edit icon right here. I'll tap on this. Now you see we have got different options. You can change the colors of style. Now we've got background. On the background, whatever text is available, that color can be changed. We've got surface, on the surface, primary on primary, secondary on secondary, and for the error icons or the error notification, you will see red, and highlighted text. Let's say you are selecting some text, it will be in this color. Now let me first select the background here. Now I'll keep the background as black, which is the best color we can set it for background. Now on the background, I will select this. Now I will select any particular color. Let me just select yellow. I'll tap on OK. Now you see these colors are changing over here. The colors are changing even for the clock, even for the background, we can change the color here for the settings as well. Let me do that now. I will select surface here. I will select the orange color or the yellow color here. I'll tap on OK. Now you see we have got the yellow background for the settings as well as some of the other sections on your phone. Now what I'm going to do is I will select a darker color for the text here so that it is more visible, because white is not suiting on this yellow. So what I'll do is I'll tap on surface. I'll select the black color and tap on OK. Now you see the black color is there on a yellow background, which looks pretty cool. Now I can tap on primary color. I can select the color for this as well. I can just select this color here and tap on OK. Now you see this is how the button colors will appear. I will select again yellow and tap on OK. Now it's completely yellow, yellowish theme that we're going to get. Now likewise, you can change different sections here on primary, secondary, and a few other options here we have got, and you can change the color. So now this is very important. If you want to change the background colors on the settings menu, this is what you need to do. Once you're done, tap on OK. You see this is the icon. This is where the magic is. So you need to tap on this to further customize the background colors for the settings as well as for the entire theme on the phone. Now once you're done, just tap on this download button here. Name this theme. I'll name this as yellow and I'll tap on OK. Now the theme is getting installed. It is going to take a few seconds to install the theme. You will have the theme here. Just select the theme and tap on apply. And if you want to further edit it, you can do that by tapping on this edit button. Looks like the notification panel has got this green tint, which is not looking good. So what I can do is I can again go back here. I can tap on edit and tap on this to make it a dark text on this particular background. So what I'll do is I'll probably change these colors because this is not suiting the entire theme. I will select the text option here. I'll make it black and I will also change this color to yellow so that it looks uniform. Now let's go back. Again, I'll tap on download here and I'll have to save this again by naming it. I'll tap on OK. Now again, it's installing. Now it's done. You can see this is the one which we just created. I can just select this and tap on apply. Now the theme is getting applied. Let's see how it's going to look. Here you go. We have got all the rounded icons here. And I've set this particular wallpaper. If you want to change it, you can change it. Now let me just open the quick panel and show you how it looks. You see we have got a completely yellow theme on black background. Looks cool, isn't it? You can actually apply different colors. You can customize it the way you want. Now let me just go back. I'll go to the settings menu now. Tap on settings. You see we have got the yellow background and the dark text, the black text on top of the this yellow background. So this looks pretty cool. Again, you can play around with the colors here. Now let me open the keyboard. As you can see, this is the background on the keyboard now, and we have got all these yellow theme. I've also applied these button effects. This was done through the Keys Cafe module on Goodlock. You cannot do that on Theme Park, so all you need to do is just go to the Keys Cafe on Goodlock. Let me open Goodlock and tap on Keys Cafe. Now this is where you'll be able to get those effects on the keyboard. We've got option style your own keyboard. Now here you see we've got various different options. You can select the one you want. We've got effects here. As you can see, these are the different kind of effects you will get. Key color effects, key motion effects. You can apply anything you want. And we also have some sound customization. You can change the touch sound for the keyboard as well. So this is a further deeper customization for keyboard through Keys Cafe module. But on the Theme Park, you can only do some basic customization for the keyboard. Now let's go back. Now let me open messaging application. As you can see, this is the kind of message background we are going to get on messaging app. I can send any of the messages here. And it will have this green background because I have set the green background here, and when I receive a message it's going to get a different background which I have set. Now that's how the messaging background looks. Now let me tap on the dial pad. You can see we have got the yellow theme here as well, and I wish a Goodlock team offers some customization for these sections which we have seen on the Theme Park engine. Now this is how you can customize your phone. If you will have to spend some time to customize it, to select the colors, to make it look good. You will definitely have to spend some time on Theme Park engine and customize your phone or apply themes on your phone to make it look refreshing every time you use it. Now this is something which I want to share with you guys. It's been pending for a long time. Many of you guys wanted me to make a video on Theme Park engine, and here it is. That's all I want to share with you guys. If you want to know your phone better, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you find it useful. We are getting closer to 100k subscribers, so with your support this is possible. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers, bye-bye.